Hey guys, what's going on? This is Sean and I'm back here with another quick video. Now guys, this is gonna be really quick. I'm trying to make this video really short. So guys, because I got a lot of things to do. So anyways guys, with all that said, I want to share with you my case study results from the DigiStore24. Now, in the last 10 days, I started promoting one of the products from this network. It is called the Overnight Millionaire System. It was developed by Wesley Virgin, and he was one of the top vendors on the network, and he generates millions of dollars every single year, and he's one of the top super affiliates in the industry of affiliate marketing. So guys, if you want to learn a lot of stuff, like he's one of those guys that can show you a lot and teach you a lot because he knows a lot about the industry and he can teach you a lot of cool stuff. So anyways, with all that said, guys, let me log in and show you my results. So I'm going from the home page to the dashboard. As you see, today I earned $84.88. Guys, this is amazing. So guys, in my first 10 days, this is my results, and I can't believe I did it so soon because I wasn't expecting it. I was expecting it to take me maybe 30 days to find out where I'd find a profitable source of traffic in order to convert. So I was able to convert today, and today is August the 1st of 2020. You can see here, down here, and yep, here, down, and here. August 1st, 2020. So guys, here you see the earnings and here you see promo clicks. Don't worry about this information because this is not really fully accurate. I'll show you a little bit more accurate information. You're gonna go here to the top right of the screen, click reports, and go all the way down to analytics. Click there. Now you'll be taken to the analytics page for the product links. And you can see how many clicks you get and a little bit more data. You want to go look here where number 5 is, the Overnight Millionaire System. You can see how many clicks I generated and other information. Like here, promo clicks, it shows you actually 56 clicks. And from 56 clicks, I got 5 people to the order form and 1 person converted. So initial sale actually costs $37.97, but I generated double that pretty much. So yeah, so guys, you can see I earn money and I'm showing you lifetime inside my account, the DigiStore, in the last 10 days, the results that I achieved. So guys, I can actually earn 84.88 every single day. So guys, I just got lucky. Guys, I'm just testing. I'm not driving a lot of traffic. The top guys are driving anywhere from like 300 clicks to 1,000 clicks a day. 300 clicks could cost you a good $100 a day. So if you have $100 a day to spend and you have $3,000 to invest every month, you can make this thing very profitable. So I'm just testing. I'm not really spending much money. And in the last 10 days, I haven't even spent over $100. I spent a little bit of money. Let me show you a little bit how much I spent. Here in my Google Ads account, you can see in the last 14 days here, well, like I said, in the last 10 days, but it only lets you go back that much, like 7, 14, 30. So I go back 14 days. So I can get enough data, and it shows you I was able to generate 82 clicks, and I'm talking for the Overnight Millionaire. This is the campaign. I have other campaigns, but this is the one I'm clicking on. And here you can see 82 clicks and 13 cents basically cost per click, and I paid for all 82 clicks $10.49. Guys, that's very cheap. Average cost per click in the industry is like 30 cents, 40 cents. Guys, if you shop around, you'll realize it can be very costly, but when you know what you're doing, especially, you can get clicks, traffic for very cheap. So like I'm doing with Google Ads. And guys, Google Ads can be very strict, so you got to be very careful, and you might want to get consulting or coaching from somebody who knows what they're doing. So guys, Yep, those are my results, guys. And that was one method how I'm driving traffic through Google Ads. And there are many other ways. For example, you have Facebook, you have YouTube, you have Twitter, you have Instagram. You can get paid traffic from many other places, guys. Anywhere you want to go. And then what I do is basically I don't send them straight to the order page. I send them to a capture page where I capture the information. For example, I'm going to show you the company's page. So I showed you here the overnight millionaire system by Wesley Virgin. And this is just information. I'll show you up here. We're on the marketplace tab. So here, marketplace. And if you go down, you can go to personal development, I think. Yeah, personal development. And you'll see here at the top. So the overnight millionaire is one of the top selling digital products inside the DigiStore24. So what I do is I promote the link that they give you here. It's the affiliate link and it looks similar to this page. But guys, you don't want to send people to this page. It is called direct linking if you send people directly to the vendor's page. And guys, you do not own this website. You just want to send them to another link, such as your own website domain. So if your name is jeffsmith.com, you want to send them to jeffsmith.com and redirect it to this page. Or if you don't have your own domain name, you want to find a way to create your own capture page by maybe signing up with a capture page creator, whatever site like ClickFunnels. There's InstaBuilder. There's so many other sites you can. I can't think of them all right now, but I'll let you know. I'll share them down below. If you look in the description, I'll have a lot of resources. So yeah, I send them to a page like this. It's a capture page. You can send them to a landing page that pre-sells them. But what I do is I generate leads by collecting emails. So I send them here and then I redirect them to this video page. What they do is they come here, they watch this video, and after they watch it, what it does, it sells them. It's created, it's designed to sell. So what it does is it sells them, and after what they do is if they're interested, they can come down and they can purchase the product. So yeah, it shares testimonies, it shares information, a little bit of stuff about Wesley's story, the product, how it can help you, how it changed your life, and how it's helped many other people. So anyways, it's not loading. Internet's, oh well, it is, but I don't have time to really run it. I just want to show you guys, for example, what it would look like. So it will load up, but I'm not sending it. I'm not running it here. So there, I send them here, go through there, complete it, redirects them here, and then they watch it. Let's see a little bit. Let's see just a little. Doesn't want to.
Shout out to Wesley.
Huge shout out to Wesley Virgin.
Wesley, thank you.
Hi, this is on Anchor. This is a big shout out to my friend Wesley. You gotta listen to this guy.
So okay guys, you see what I'm trying to show you. This is the sales video, and I want to pause here. So I send them to here, and then they get redirected. So it's that simple, guys, just like I showed you. You don't want to send them straight to this page, the order page, because guys, everybody's gonna try to do that, and what happens is Google is gonna, or Facebook or YouTube, they're gonna get annoyed, and a lot of people are gonna report you if you don't have like the rights to do that. So a lot of people are gonna penalize you, and I could get in trouble if I also do that. So what I do is I send them to an opt-in page, collect leads, or you can send them to another page, a blog page. For example, I can also send them to my blog, and here I send them. You can send them to a review article, for example, here, and redirect them. Just gotta do it the right way. You can't just send them straight to the sales page. So like I showed you how many clicks I got and how I was able through the last 10 days to get my first sale with the DigiStore24. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys really enjoy the stuff. Please guys, subscribe. Guys, stick around for more videos in the future. I got some great stuff I want to share with you, and I'll see you around. This is Sean. Till next time, peace.